Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, day 8, final day of the Nall. Got a very unique looking airplane, not sure what it is, so I'll shoot some video of it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Power box guidance with the core radio. The airplane actually is quite old. The kit manufacturer Group model found. He's actually more famous or known for the model for a couple of years. So he's the one that did that here. But anyway, so it's a really cool airplane. It doesn't look like it can do it, but you will see when more level it's going to fly there. You could do all kinds of maneuvers and go from there. Now all these scale maneuvers, is that like a decathlon in real life, or is it a little bit of RC? No, this is RC. I mean, what he's doing with this, you would never do on a full size, you know. But you said this is completely structured? No, it's actually it's actually hard. Yeah. So I could go out and buy this, and if I wanted to buy this, what would I do? It would come out of building. Right now, they don't have any stock because it's a very popular restaurant for the year. But you know, I've never seen anything like it, so that's the reason. It's great for throwing gliders. You have the attachment inside. It can like if it's being a tricycle Indy, it's really just making sure. Exactly. You really look at him coming around in further. But he's not flying a high wing. Exactly. Wow, look at that. Give him a round of applause.
Scale pass.
Now is that scale? Oh yeah. Yeah. After a couple beer. Very beautiful night. That's digging on that right rudder to keep it level. It looks very, very nice. Very nice. You guys use it to tow gliders and all that good stuff? Yeah, in Europe it's good. And then go on that.
So with a full length hitter, it's awesome.
I do wish we were on the water over here in America. I know there are some diehard we have so many different areas of gliders. We have actually J, actually K, which is handheld gliders. And we have so many different variations.
I like
Beautiful.
Beautiful. We have beautiful. Yeah, something could work. Not going to get slapped.
Oh yeah, knife edge slide. Very, very beautiful. Coordinating the aileron, rudder, and elevator to keep it right there.
I will.
Very, very beautiful. So can you tell me a little bit more about the pilot flight? Actually, I met him 2 years ago. We came to the Nall.
It'll come back.
Yeah,
it's next in line for a refresher.
No, it's actually like
a lot of people, being that the 260 was so big, they just, they switched to that.
Forward stuff, and is there a reason for that? That's the skill. Where he comes and do something. I I can see it on the outline. It's kind of the silhouette of that. Yeah.
Very nice, folks. Very nice. We'll call that unknown aircraft butter. I'm sorry, folks. I wish I knew what the name of the plane was. We'll just call it unknown aircraft butter for the time being. I'll get the information of the plane later on. Very nice, folks. All right, friends. More to come.